Welcome back to Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. Today, we're gonna be walking around this 1948 panel wagon. I looked on the back of the motor and it said we got a 5.0 sitting here. See, it's got a lot of chrome, AC compressor, upgraded pulleys, electric fan, aluminum radiator, power steering with a Holly carb, custom valve covers. It's real shined up there. I've also got disc brakes on the front and drum in the rear. Two-tone paint job. And I'm going to be looking for any kind of flaws I can find. That way you know exactly what you're buying when you get here. You could go to maplemotors.com, look at the detailed pictures, and look at financing, shipping options, and of course all of our inventory is located on there. So definitely check that out. And if you like this channel so far, hit that subscribe button. We also do test drives of every vehicle, so there's going to be a test drive video of this one. Just go to the last 30 seconds of this video to find it. Starting up here in the front, I'm going to look around the grill, check it out, see if we can find any flaws. It's all nice and shiny. I see some water spots. It should have been wiped off with a chamois, but for the most part, it's really clean. Headlight bezels are fairly new looking. It's got a set of Boss 338 wheels, very popular wheel, with good tires on it. You do have a little chip here on the corner of your hood. All right, now we're gonna make our way down the sides. What I like to do is start on the lower portion, come back to midsection and in the top. That way it'll cover the whole car. It gives you a 3-pass there. Really focus on pinpoint areas. Coming up over the fender well. Looking pretty good so far. There's a little chip here. Coming on down a little bit. You got a few chips on your rail there. The bottom of the door is looking pretty solid. Coming on down a little bit more here. There's a crack in the paint. Zooming in on it. Coming back out. Up over the fender. The exhaust kicks out the back corner here, giving it a pretty sweet look. Coming back through the midsection. It's looking really good through this area. Your door handle's in good shape. There's a little bit of pitting popping up on it from age. It's real easy sweep there. I like when they're nice and clean. Not too many flaws. Coming down the hood. We'll be shutting the hood towards the end of the video, so don't worry about that. We'll get a good check on it. Mirror's in good shape. Front window's in good shape. I don't see a big crack or any kind of chips in the window. And we got a little pinstripe going to separate the two-tone. Check it out the roof real quick. Way up there. Luckily I got y'all on a pole. Coming back down this side, 24-hour rod towing service. Let's go ahead and head around to the back. It's got the double doors on the back here. Let's check it out and we'll get it open. Kind of do the same thing and run across the bottom here. Back bumper's in good shape. Got a tow hitch for the back. It's always handy. And as you open this door up here, it is beautiful on the inside. Got a great look. They even painted down in here. It's not perfect there though. You see it's got some scuffs. Open this side as well. Just give you a good look. Bucket seats in the back. I think that was awesome. The headliner and the panels all down the side look great. Now let's just go ahead and head down this side. We're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna run down the lower portion, come back to midsection and hit the top. Got a little scratch down here on the bottom. Coming up over the fender well here. There's a little chip in the paint. Coming down the edge. Looks pretty good. Got a few little chips on the running boards there. A little extra wax left over in that crack there. Over the fender well. It's pretty smooth, guys. Coming down the side now. Hitting the top area. Just not many flaws on this truck. You got a little bit of pit popping up on your door handle here on all of them, all the way around. Just very minimal stuff here. But I gotta find some kind of flaw, right? Some bug guts on them mirrors. Need to be scrubbed off. So we've made it all the way around. Let's go ahead and jump on the interior, open it up, and check some more of that out. See what's working and what's not. As soon as I open the door, very clean, nice weather stripping all the way around the door. It looks new to me. Bottom of the door is solid. Carpet's in decent shape, not bad at all. Got a little bit of a rubbing issue there, causing the paint to chip off. The seats are in great shape. A little stretched here in the corner, but not bad. Got my cameras and stuff over there. Back seats match. Interior's just nice. Go ahead, place your bets. Do you think the horn works on this one? I've also got some nice gauges. There's the mileage. I can't stand behind that. It's not original mileage. Got a nice Kenwood TV. Vintage air. They've even got it under the dash here. Tilt column. Looking good. Let's go ahead and jump up in here now. And I have hidden the keys from myself. Turn key here. All the gauges are coming out. Haven't really had a chance to let it warm up, so the temp gauge is still down a little bit. It looks like our oil pressure, volts, and fuel is working. And we got the radio going on here. It's working. Believe that all goes back in, so it'll be out of your way if you don't like it. It also hides the screen and stuff. I'd have to play with it, try to figure it out, but open, close, maybe that's probably what it is. Yep. So to get rid of that, and it'll look like that. It's nice to have if you want to watch something, I guess. Horn, you ready for this? The horn works on this. Tilt column's nice and smooth. Wipers, let's see about that. How am I going to cut that? I know that's lights. That's not wipers. So, wipers, that's a cigarette lighter, right? I'd assume so. Where's my switch? I'm going to go ahead and show you the AC does work. I still haven't found the wiper switch. I know it's hiding in here. Wait, there it is. Maybe. It's definitely a switch of some type. I can't get it to twist. Also got an aux cord set up. I'd like to get that bag out. Not heating up. Let me hop out of here and look under this dash. See, that has got to be our wiper switch. It's got a flat spot on the other side of it. It's got some speakers down here, some kicker speakers. Nice pedals. It seems like it's done right. I'll have to mess with them wipers a little bit. That's got to be the switch for it though. Of course, these are always hard to open without a key, so I was gonna check the glove box just in case. Let's go ahead and hop out of here. So we made it all the way around this. Go ahead and shut these back doors. There we are. Definitely check out maplemotors.com to see additional pictures. You can get some undercarriage shots. Motor's nice and quiet. Yet you have to have a prop to hold this up. You're gonna have to get a spring setup or a hydraulic setup if you don't like the prop idea. It shuts down pretty easy. I'm gonna give you some undercarriage shots. We're gonna start up here in the front, go all the way around the truck, and we'll hit up a test drive on this one, see how she rides. Let's look under it. And it is low to the ground here. All right, guys, I appreciate you watching this video. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Help me out by sharing these videos. It helps us out greatly. I want to thank y'all that have been sharing the videos. We're going to go ahead and do us a test drive on this one. The last 30 seconds of this video, it should pop up. It should say 1948 or test drive 1948 panel wagon. But let's take her down the road. I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again.